name is Jessica Terry, and today we are going to be talking about my social media insights. So this presentation is on Hangout Music Festival and how they will be able to study their social media platform patterns to better their event. So Hangout Music Festival is an annual 3-day music festival held at the public beaches of Gulf Shores, Alabama. It was founded by A.J. Neyland and Shaul Zislin in 2010, and it is produced by Hookah Entertainment. This event features many types of music, including rock, indie, hip hop, and EDM. The intended audience for this presentation are the sponsors that sponsor Hangout Music Festival. Hangout Music Festival, just music festivals in general, are becoming way more popular than they were when they first started, which means that there is a lot more competition. There is also an increasing number of attendees at every festival, and our goal is to sell out of our tickets. The purpose of the report. So the overall goal is intended to show how analytics through social media can help a company succeed more. But the main marketing goal for this presentation is to increase the number of people attending the event with also an increased engagement rate on social media. The reason why we are focusing on attendees is because that means we will profit more from the event, which means more money we will be able to spend on bettering our festivals for the years to come. And with an increased engagement rate, that means that more people are aware of our festival and it will increase our attendance. So the agenda for this presentation is going to be the fan analysis, visibility analysis, engagement analysis, post analysis, the data, recommendations, my key takeaway, and the conclusion. So a fan analysis is who is interacting with our social media the most. Who are our followers? Artists that are going to be in the music festival, or previous attendees, future attendees, and music-related pages. These are the main people that are most involved with our event, and they are excited about it. So they are going to be engaging with our post more, and those are going to be our followers for the most part. The visibility analysis. So what gets the most like? What post that we post gets the most like, and what post gets the least like? So from researching on the social media platforms, I saw that the popular artists that we post and the videos from previous events and lineups that we post, they get the most likes. The least likes are people like the smaller bands and random people that they have pictured from the festival. That is the reason why we're getting the most likes there, is because that's what our followers are most interested in seeing. They're not going to want to post or like something that they can't really relate to. So I'm not saying not to post pictures like the small bands and the random people, but the post should be more intriguing, such as a caption with a contest or a question that they can respond to. Next is the engagement analysis. So the first picture is the most recent post, and it got 10,849 likes. The second one is the least liked post that is recently, which it got 2,466 likes. And then the last one is the most likes that has been recently, which is their lineup, which had 55,328 likes. So out of these three posts, there is a big gap of likes. So we want to make every post interesting to the audience. So we don't want that over 50,000 likes gap. So we want to post more that is going to be intriguing for our followers. So the post analysis. So from researching and looking at the social media platforms for Hangout, the negatives that I saw was that they need to be more engaging with their followers. They should ask more questions, take more polls and quizzes on their story to engage more with them. They could also ask followers to comment on a post and see which one is their favorite band. They also need a more variety within their content. I see a lot of pictures that look the exact same. So I would say posting more short clips or something that is interesting for them, and an aesthetic. So music festival pages should have an aesthetic to them. It should be pleasing to the eye. Um, and for positive though, they do post a lot of information so that their followers are in the loop on what's going on with the next festival. I really think that their page keeps you up to date on what is going on, such as cancellations or new bands being added to the lineup or anything else that is special that the attendees or just interested followers that they want to know more about with the festival. So this is the data that I have found. So the bivariate regression analysis is a predictive analysis that shows the relationships between two variables during the analysis and reporting stage of marketing research. So first is the straight line formula, which is y equals mx plus b. Y is the predicted variable, x is the variable used to predict y. A is the intercept where x equals 0, and b is the change in y for any 1 unit change in x. So once you find that, you will find the regression parameter, and that is to find b. And once you find b, you will be able to use that in the a equals y equals bx formula, which comes to the bivariate regression equation, which is y equals a plus bx. And that is to can be used to find two variables, such as calculating the number of impressions for every post that have been made. B is the beta coefficient, if you didn't know that. And the multiple regression analysis is there below. That is the equation for that, and that calculates a dependent variable based on more than one independent variable. These calculations are very important in the analytics aspect of this presentation because these formulas show the correlation between two variables and can help succeed with our goal and being very precise with our numbers. So my recommendation is to involve the followers more. So involving followers will increase engagement, and in return they will increase the followers. And having more followers on our social media page will show our competitors, such as Bonnaroo and Coachella, that we are the most popular music festival. Also, implementing a social media renovation. By that I mean making the Hangout page more aesthetically pleasing to the eye, such as using a different filter or better pictures that people can relate to. I would say to show more of the festival and the different activities that you can do so you can keep the followers excited about the event. And also volunteering and giving back and also posting it on the platform. So showing your followers that you care to give back to the community and volunteering, and it's not just all about profiting, will increase sponsorships and more profit for the festival and will in return increase the attendees. So the key takeaway to this presentation is to stay updated on data from social media. So what I mean is that to check on the number of likes, comments, and mentions daily in order for the analytics side to be precise. So seeing the number of likes will indicate whether you are succeeding or not, and whether you should change something about the social media platforms. And another thing is to better the social media presence, which means more attendees. So many people get their information from social media. So with a better presence on the media, that means that more people will see the page and follow it and attend the event. Like I said, engaging the followers more, such as what they ask to see, what they want to see for future festivals, what their favorite part of Hangout was. Another great idea is to interview people that have gone previously and ask them about their experience and why they love Hangout, and then posting it on the social media pages so other people can see. So, in conclusion, like I said, this presentation was designed to increase attendees at the music festival and increase engagement on the social media platforms through analyzing social media platforms and the analytics. Thank you.